Hi, I'm George Dowd from New Edge USA, from the floor of the CME Group for MrTopStep.com. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the currency markets. It's election day here in the United States, so it's going to be all eyes on the elections. InTrade's currently pricing in about a 70% chance of an Obama re-election. I think the best result for the markets is that we get a result. And so today I think what the markets want to see is that it's either a clear victory for Obama or a clear victory for Romney. I think the worst case scenario for the dollar is going to be if we get kind of a muddled result today, and it looks like we're going to have to go into the December 17th Electoral College and maybe have it decided there. Looking back historically on election years from 1976 on, the dollar's typically had a bid between the elections and January 20th. And I would expect the same to happen today, with the caveat that we do get some kind of result. As far as how the market's setting up, back in early October we were talking about the euro setting up a potential double top. That's really started to play out now. So as of Sunday in Asia session of this week, we traded down through the neckline, which was 128.03 pretty aggressively. And we haven't really been able to do much trade since then above that level, hovering around there right now. I think if you're bearish, these are probably not great positions to add. You probably want to be short already for some better levels. And if you're looking for, for me, I'd be looking for a little more acceleration down here. So what you don't want to see are any more closes above the 128.50-ish level. Really, you want to see, lower lows for the next couple of days if we're going to get any kind of aggressive move down. First target for me in the downside is 124.50 to 125 in the euro, and I'm still looking for about 123 into year end. As far as dollar yen goes, it's had a pretty smart bounce up from that 77.50 level. Now we're trading up above 80 or right around the 80 level. I was looking at that market as being a range trade, but the move up was so impulsive. I think you kind of need to reassess that market. And so if you're really bearish, these are probably good levels to sell. But for me, it's maybe kind of a step aside with the caveat that, these are a little bit elevated levels. We might get a trade down, but maybe reassessing the range trade picture that I had in mind a few weeks ago. From the floor of the CME, I'm George Dowd for New Edge USA for MrTopStep.com.